Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here display. After click over display, you need to click here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, we're going to see there is a gallery wallpaper or wallpapers. Wallpapers is preloaded wallpaper by Lenovo, but you can see in this device only there is available one preloaded wallpaper. You can see there is no any other wallpaper available. You can go maybe there is option to download, but let me go here choose from my phone wallpaper. I'm going to click here gallery go, and then this is going to give here my gallery all pictures. So I'm going to click here camera, and then I'm going to choose this picture. After choose about this picture, you can see this is the preview how it's going to be looks like. Let me make here set wallpaper. So after click on set wallpaper, this will give you option to set this wallpaper to home screen, lock screen, or home screen and lock screen both. For in this video purpose, I would like to set this wallpaper to my home screen. After click over home screen, you can see if I go back, I'm just seeing my phone. Just now it's appeared. Recently I had set the picture, it's appeared now. So this is how you can easily change wallpaper in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.